friend Lardy, Auntie here again, and I'm with my ally, Carla, and she's got a question for me.
Auntie, what can we do about the kind of racism that was recently experienced by Eddie Bett's children that were just playing basketball in their family home yard?
Yeah, well, Carla, that's nothing new for us mob, and our kids experience it from day one, and through the years they learn to deal with it. But it's really unfortunate that it involves the kiddies because they're so young and they don't need this really. So first of all, we need to give support to the children and make sure that they're all right about things, that they're able to express their feelings around the whole situation. But what the community can do is to raise awareness about the issue, that this still goes on, can you believe, in this day and age, and that it's a regular occurrence for us First Nations mobs. So just people talking about it in the community, doing things about it, running perhaps public awareness kind of seminars, and Eddie Betts, geez, how gracious is he?
He was so gracious, Auntie, and we call it one of the hard yarns. People like me, non-Indigenous people, we've got to have the conversations, we've got to start talking about it, being aware of our language, not saying things like, oh, I don't see race, we all bleed the same blood. That statement in itself can totally invalidate someone's experience of racism. So let's get in this together. Let's start having the conversation as so graciously invited by Eddie Betts and Auntie.
Because we're all in this together and we want to create a better society for all of us, not just Aboriginal people, but all people in our communities, that we can live freely and in harmony without fear of racism or discrimination, and look out for each other. That's the other thing.
Thanks,
So,
Auntie.
Until next time, in Yiddigal Gorna.